Okay, so got everything leveled. Getting ready for concrete on Tuesday. Got to do a little bit of tying for the rebar. But you can see that it's starting to look good. Again, another eventful day with a couple of minor adjustments in the measuring. When you double check to make sure that you're square sometimes. Sometimes when you go the old 5-3-4 method, and if you push dirt in, it can sometimes, cause issues, or we really didn't know. Or it could be that we have a ton of rookies on site, so, people get rushed and forget stuff. So it was a good day of learning. Excited about Tuesday. Tuesday's the pour. And then you can see over there the big S for the septic. And then the rest of the yard. So it's coming. It's coming. And I just want to remind everybody that at one point in the future, you won't be looking at my truck, but you'll be looking up there, sitting in chairs, looking up at the Headley mine, looking at the sun going down, and that's what we're going for. So stay tuned.